use calculators normally to calculate that, but orally you should be in a position to do these things.